Everybody, I just want to show you a little tip, which is the fastest way to cut a branch on your Christmas tree. So I'm gonna use two things: the saw and pliers. Maybe you don't think of pliers as somebody thinks to cut down branches, but I'll show you how it's better than a saw. So I'm gonna use a timer, and first I'm gonna use the saw on this branch, and then I'm gonna try it with pliers and see which one is the fastest way. So let's get started. And the time is 5 seconds. And now the pliers. And the time is 5 seconds. So it's as fast to use a saw as it is to use pliers. So if you don't have a saw, you can just use pliers, and you can reach some branches with pliers which you can't with the saw. So thanks for watching. Have a good, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, whatever.